Hey there, everybody. We're on the workbench today, filming in a different place, for a final for the USA Chevy Silverado monster truck by AMT. Anybody who knows me knows that monster trucks are one of my all-time favorite things ever in the history of ever. It's got two of my favorite words, monsters and trucks. So what's not to love about monster trucks? So here's a Chevy Silverado AMT. The AMT recently re-released the USA-1 Chevy Silverado truck. They also re-released, or not re-released, but re-released a kit but with different decals of the Coca-Cola monster truck, which looks pretty cool. And after building this one, I think I would like to attempt that. So here's the box, real beautiful graphics on it. It's the 88. It says first national champion of monster trucks, 1988 TNT national points champion. Really cool. Doing a little reading. The USA-1 monster truck back in 1983 was the first televised monster truck race, whatever you want to call it, and it was against Bigfoot. So how cool is that? So beautiful box here. It's got some stuff on the side here, some very nice pictures. Let me turn the light off. There you go. Beautiful pictures of the truck, the motor, the underneath, the roll bar. It's got bonus chrome rims, supercharged Chevy motor, gigantic monster truck tires because it's a monster truck. Decal sheet, which is really cool. I'll show that in a bit. Two rim options, which obviously is the chrome rims. Detailed suspension with 16 shocks. Double roll bar with lights. Those be those. And lots of chrome parts. Flip the box around. Similar to the top there. And then here's pictures. What's cool is there's two different. Let's put the box down here so focuses. Two different sets of decals here. You got the one with the eagle and the flag, which is cool, and then you got the USA one, which is just the flag going across. Very cool. And here's the decal sheet. It has all the cool decals. Very colorful. Works really well. So, first off, let's look at the instructions. Not that these instructions are very difficult to read by any means. It's got the nice picture of the monster truck, a little writing here about it. We open this up here. Let's fold it up like that. Basic engine. Transfer case. Engine goes in. These little chrome tips that go on the end of the headers here. Don't keep falling off on me. I'll show that in a second. Suspension. Follow these numbers. If you follow the numbers, you'll be okay. I had a problem with the rear suspension where I put them on backwards. I had to try to break it apart and get them on correctly. Follow the numbers. Follow the instructions. Interior is very basic. The cab. Flip it over. Still putting the cab together. Monster truck rims. Put together. And then your decal options. And then obviously your colors on the bottom. Basic instructions. Very easy to read. Very clean. Easy to read. Easy to follow. Like I said, follow the instructions. So here's what's left over to decals. These are the ones I didn't use. Obviously, I didn't use the one with the eagle on it. So there's a lot of cool decals there. Put that down here. A lot of spare parts. It has all this stuff to make a regular pickup truck. Obviously, I started painting some of the stuff and not realizing what I was doing. So, some body kit, fender flares. Another roll bar thing here. So this is going to be really cool for extra parts for like another truck. This is cool. It's kind of like corrugated metal. Here's one of the tips off the headers there. These suckers keep falling off. I'll show that in a second. Put that over there. A few chrome, or not chrome, clear parts. A couple parts that I couldn't get on. Extra set of wheels. Put the light on, maybe you can see it. Extra set of wheels, because it comes with the chrome wheels. It has inserts too. You put in there, black wash them out. In fact, when I was looking up the website, in fact, there's a website on the box itself, USA-14.com, buy14.com. Check them out. If you build this, check it out. It's gives a lot of history, a lot of pictures of the truck, gives the mission statement. Really cool. But when I was looking at the pictures, this truck actually has the white rims, not the chrome rims. But I put the chrome rims on because how often are you going to use monster truck rims? I build muscle cars. So, ladies and gentlemen, da 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 da. Here is USA-1. Let's spin this around here. When you build this, be very careful on picking it up because the body will want to come right off the chassis. Be very, very careful of that. I feel like the bumper kind of came out a little bit there. And spin it around one more time. And let's do the engine real quick. Got the hood and the motor. If it focuses. Maybe not. Alright. Oh, the interior too. The interior is real nice. It doesn't want to focus for me. Anyways, the interior was real nice. Alright, so let's talk about this bad boy. This is a real nice kit. I highly recommend, if you're going to build it, take your time building it. Follow the instructions. My major problem was I didn't take my time and I rushed it. And I think it shows because some of the parts don't fit together. I didn't do things in order. Do things in order as the instructions say. That will come back to haunt you in the long run if you do not. So follow the instructions in order. Take your time. This is a beautiful kit. So just put work into it. The body was just done with duplicolored white with a clear coat. The suspension goes together really easy. I'm afraid to pick it up because every time I try to, it doesn't want to. The wheels have a hard time staying in the big rubber tires. So once you get those puppies in there, keep them in there. Everything is straightforward. There's not a lot of parts on this kit. Not a lot of parts. If you pick it up from here, the front end's going to come off the chassis. So there's a little spot underneath the front here you can pick it up at, and then underneath the back if you're going to do that. Pick it up by the frame, basically what I'm trying to say. Like I said, the kit, very, very nice kit. Take your time on it. I felt the decals were a little stiff. You know, they're trying to get around the molding of the truck. There was a lot of there you go, a lot of decal setting solution on that. You can see along the top here it was starting to rip on me. Yeah, but like around the molding, a lot of setting. The rear tailgate opens, which is really cool. Maybe. There it goes. So if you want to race with your monster truck open. The interior was very, very nice. The interior, I did did it black, and then I lightly did a red coat over it. So it kind of gave it a worn out 80s look, which was very, very nice. Let's flip it around. Yeah, there she goes. Probably see a little better. And then I just did some black insert painting there to accent it out. The shocks on the car, or the truck I should say, well, you can see this real nice here. The yeah, pointer. I painted the chassis black, and then I did a dry brush of aluminum over it, and it gave this real nice effect. You can see on the suspension parts. That's the first time I've ever done dry brushing like that, and I think the results came out real nice. Painted the shocks blue with silver. You can see the dry brushing again over here. That was really sharp. These support bars here, I don't think I put them on properly. This guy right here. I think there should be one off the other one too. It comes with the extra parts for it. I have them here. There's one of them there. Again, I did not follow the instructions in order. Follow the instructions in order. The wheels, I had a hard time getting them on. But once they're on, they're on. Don't try to mess with them. The chrome parts were pretty good. My roll bar leans forward a little bit, but that's okay. The engine, it's got the blower engine. Just pick this up here. Not a lot of detail on the inside. Typical AMT type stuff going on here. It don't want to focus for me. The air cleaners I just did with red Sharpie. Kind of gives a nice little highlight there. Probably could have took a little more time. I painted the fan cover black here just because I wanted a little contrast. Goes in there very nice. It stays in there very nice. It's connected to all the right here. I believe that's transfer case you would call it. So the drive shaft goes in there real nicely. Over here at the headers of the engine here on the end, it's kind of hard to get the pointer here. Is where those little chrome pieces go. And I don't know where to put it. Right here. That little guy goes on the end of that, and they keep falling off. So I'm just going to leave them off, I think. The chrome looks real nice on it. I'm missing a shock here because, once again, follow the instructions. So that's all I can say about this truck, is that it's a very, very nice truck. I am very, very interested on doing the Coca-Cola one. And this time taking my time with it. Because like I said, you have to put the time into this one. I can't stress that enough. So here is the AMT USA-1 Chevy Silverado. 1988, I believe. Monster truck. Because who doesn't love a monster truck? I know I do. Maybe you guys do as well. Everybody, thank you for watching. Thank you to my subscribers. Please like. Please write me. I write everybody back. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you're also not a subscriber, feel free to write me. So here is my USA Chevrolet monster truck. Everybody take care and have a good one.